Hi, I Ariston Sahulga, MMM Etiology. The modern world is bad. It is inhuman, unfair, and unjust. This is the world of money. This is not for the people. It is for those who produce money, for banks and financiers. And ordinary people serve them as attendants. Well, there we can go without money. It is not a stone age. Today, you cannot live in cave. You cannot dress in animal skin. And you cannot hunt for mammon. You need house, clothes, and foods. It is all about money. Money, money. After all, everything around is just for money. You cannot make a single step without them. There we can find money. That's right. You have to earn them. What is I show you can opportunity that could help you earn money at the same time helping others. Interested to know how? Well, then let me show you. MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help and opportunity and the principles of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. MMMs there are not lenders and no debtors. Everything is very simple. One asks for help, another one help. Each offer mutual aid program within the amount you donate will grow 30% per month. MMM is kind of giant common shape where people put their money in and then they take them back as much as needed. MMM is not bank. MMM does not collect all your money. MMM is not an online business, hype, investment, or MNL program. MMM gives you technical basic program, which help millions of participants worldwide to find those who need help and those who are ready to provide help for free. All transferred funds to another participants are your help given by your own goods, well to another one absolutely gratis. The goal of MMM is not money. The goal there is to destroy world unfair financial system. Financial apocalypse. Together, we change the world. Hi, I'm Ariston Salga from Philippines. What is MMM? So, yung triple M, isang M is Mabrudi. Pangalawa, Mondial. Pangatlong M, Movement. So, MMM is not a bank, not a hype, not an investment program, or a business or MLM program. So, ibig sabihin, wala tayong negosyo dito, walang bangko na sa atin. So, higit sa lahat, walang taong maghawak sa atin. So, lahat ay peer-to-peer tayo dito. So, MMS is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. Ibig sabihin, buong tayo, mundo. So, lahat ng tao nagtulungan dito about financial support. Kasi yung natin, yun ang main natin na pupuntahan. So, yung MMM is a social network that connect the one who wants to donate money with the one who wants to give money. Participants transfer money direct to each other peer-to-peer system. So, ibig sabihin, makita natin ngayon sa mga social network, katulad ng Facebook. So, saan makita yung mga larawan natin, mga picture, o ano pang mga ano dyan. So, sa atin is financial support. Yung mga participant na nag-donate sa bawat isa. So, send lang yung money sa ano natin. Doon, kanila din matatanggap. So, direktang matanggap sa bawat isa sa atin. So, ang system natin is isa't isa sa atin. At kasi dito walang central account na nagkulikta sa pera natin. So, wala tayong lagyan ng pera kasi nandito lang sa atin yung pera natin at walang maghawak. So, sa atin lang. So, ibig sabihin, nandyan na sa atin yung pera. Yung ano natin, yung ano lang, yung coins, yung mabro. So, kasi mutual aid fund yun. Sa atin lang yung ano, yung pira nandiyan lang sa atin. So, the first aim is mabro. Si yung founder po natin ng MMM, si Sir Mabrodi, is a founder ng MMM, social financial community ng MMM. As a Sir has life works but not only one. Sir Mabrodi have a degree in mathematics, works as a programmer who took part in the development of the first operating system. The company is a fund was on leading computer equipment distributor in Russia. He was deputy of the Russia Parliament. His literary work were published in DR sold in bookstores. Two of his scriptly were made into movie. He poem were turned into songs. So, noon siya po ang ano natin yun po sa Russia na ibig sabihin na siya po ang official doon. At isa po siyang mathematician at siya po ang ano natin na siya po ang isang nag-program po ng computer doon sa Russia. So, ibig sabihin malaki po yung natutulong niya sa ano sa atin kasi noon malaki po niyang nagawa sa kanyang buhay. So, ang ano natin sa kanya is trust lang po. So, second mondial global po. So, ibig sabihin buong mundo po natin yung MMM is a global and widespread. So, Bitcoin. So, yung Bitcoin natin is 130 billion members na po in 110 countries. So, 4 years na po yung activity natin and $14 billion na po yung na-receive po natin yung assistance provided sa lahat ng mga tao nagsumali dito. And the fastest growing community of people in the world. So, siya po ang pinaka-fast moving po ng mga yung nag sumali po sa mga community. So siya po yung pinakamalaki community at siya po ang pinaka-fast nag-grow. Siya po yung so sa ngayon kung tingnan po natin yung MMM is 100% legal worldwide kasi wala pong rules o batas na bawal po mamigay ng donation po o pira sa bawat tao. Third aim is a movement to goal of MMM. So, yung goal ng MMM is to help all the people in the world. So, ibig sabihin, lahat po yung mga tao dito po sa mundo tutulungan po ng yun po ang isang goal. So, then spread the money among people so that they gain financial freedom. So, lahat po tayo naghanap ng pira. So, lahat po tayo naghanap ng financial freedom. So dito kung sasali tayo, magkaroon po tayo nito. So, sa tamang panahon. Then, creating a new fair financial relationship among people. So, tayo, magkaroon tayo ng fair financial sa bawat isa sa atin. So, kaya, dito sa MMM, magkaroon tayo ng magandang buhay o magandang kinabukasan po. So, yung natin provide po ng natin, yung pira. So, yun lang. Yung MMM communities, people providing each other financial help into principle of graciousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. In MMM, you do not have to make contract or pledge or priority. In MMM, there's are not leaders and no debtor, and everything is very simple and participants ask for help, another one help. So yun lang po, nagtulong-tulong po sa bawat isa. Kaya tayo ang walang leader po sa atin, so pantay po tayo. So, and the only thing that MMM demands from the participants or the role is to be honest and kind with each other. So, ano lang tayo, trust lang po sa atin, then be honest, yun lang po. At saka you ask for financial help with you need it, or give financial help with when you are able to do it. So, yun lang. Magkaroon tayo ng financial tsaka freedom sa bawat isa sa atin. Pag dito tayo sa MMM, may mga tayong mga participants, honest lang tayo, and yung bawat isa sa atin, ano lang tayo, be honest lang po. So, isa ngayon yung points natin, yung Mabro is 30% yung natin growth per month. Or Mabro amount will start grow from the moment of deposit at the rate of 30% per month. The calculation of interest occur twice a week on Tuesday and Thursday. This sum of Mabro shows how much you can request yourself. So, ibig sabihin, yung Mabro po natin, mag-grow ng Tuesday at Thursday. So, dalawang dalawang growth every week. So, yung ano natin, pira, ah, ah, binigay natin sa bawat isa sa atin, at saka yung hanawakan natin yung mabro. So siya yung nag-grow ng 30%. At saka yung pag ano natin kung mag-request na tayo na mag get help, so yung mabro yung basihan po natin. So yun nakalagay yung 30% po doon. So sa ating registration bonus po, after having registered, you making the first mission, the, the participant receiving bonus in the amount of so mayroong $20, mayroong $50, at sa $100 po. So yung MMM, possible growth. So when you provide help in MMM, you are donating money to the people's happiness and dreams. So tayo pag provide po tayo, so ibig sabihin yung mga pangarap niya, yung dreams niya is na ano po, na tuloy po. So doon tayo nakalamang sa pagbibigay natin sa kanya, kasi na ano yung tuloy yung po yung ano niya, dreams. Then how to donate sperm money, and so ano lang po yun, bali yung mga sperm money lang po natin yung donate. Then so save up money for your dreams. So ibig sabihin kung magbigay tayo ng 1,000 dito, example, first month may nagkaroon ng 1,300. So second month 1,007, third month 2,100 na po. Ika-apat na bulan is na 2,900. Panglimang buwan is 3,700. Kanam na bulan po 4,800. Sa kapapito, ka-7 month 6,300. Na 8 months 8,200. 9 months 10,600. 10 months 13,800. 11 months 17,900. Ka-12 months po sa 1,000 na binigay mo is 23,300. So so yun ang ano po, buwan ng dinodonate mo, yung 1,000. So ibig sabihin you have another monthly salary in yung $300 po, multiply by 3,333. So para okay, sa ano po tayo, lottery, kung sino po yung gustong sumali po nito sa lottery is para po siyang loto. So ganito lang po, all participants in the community with confirmable have opportunity to participate in a week lottery. To take a part in the lottery, you don't need to pay. You just need to guess the number. Draw is Wednesday 3 p.m. So kung sino po yung gustong sumali nito, mga participants, pwede po tayong maglaro dito ng lottery. Wala pong bayan. Every Wednesday 3 p.m. po yung draw. So select lang po yung mga number po dito, kung anong gusto nyo number. So check nyo lang po yung remember choice. So dun po nasave yung mga number mo, saka check lang po yung pa-after draw ng week na yun, yung Wednesday. So yun po ang paglaro ng lottery po dito. So dito po yung referral bonus po natin. So sa referral bonus is meron po tayong 10% So kung ano po tayo dito, yung mayroon po tayong ma-invite na donate po. So automatic po meron tayong 10%. So ano, we get 10% from all deposit of the participants. You inviting new members into the community is your additional contribution to its development, but nobody forced to member to community to invite a new participant, but they sometimes understanding that the MMM network can exist without development and the participant encouragement in the form of referral bonus motivate many people to take active position. So dito wala hindi po tayo kinakailangan mag-invite, but kung mayroon tayong masabihan na gustong sumali, so automatically po meron tayong 10% referral bonus pag mag-meet po yung kaibigan natin, yung ating pagsabihan dito sa inyo. So yun po ang referral bonus. Dito MMM advantage. So as a member po yun, so pag sumali tayo sa MMM as a member, so advantage po natin, mayroon tayong 30% per month for your provided help, then 10% referral bonus to help for help by the people you invited to MMM, your friends, relatives, acquaintance o iba pang mga kasamahan po natin. At meron po tayong dollars po na bonus sa pag mag-donate po tayo ng TOFO, meron tayong $2 at saka sa 25,000 meron po tayong $50. So saka sa 100 $50 meron tayong $100 bonus po. So your for first help po natin sa pag-donate. So 5% bonus po for the video after get help. So meron tayong 5% sa pag get help po tayo, mag-video po tayo, meron po tayong 5% bonus. At saka a lot of bonuses po from your MMM team. So marami po pong mga bonus na dating po sa atin pag tayo mag-convert. So sana mag-join po kayo dito sa MMM. So dito na po sa managers bonus. So yung mga managers bonus of the MMM community can create your own multi-level structure and get bonus from each and the donation of everybody participant in the structures make this is a multi-level bonus. Thus manager can have his own leaders to whose rank is higher manager bonus depend on this level and community. So minus bonus, second level mayroon tayong 5% bonus, third level 3% bonus, fourth level 1% bonus, fifth level 0.5% bonus, sixth level 0.3%, seventh level 0.1%, eighth level 0.05%, ninth level 0.03%, 10th level is 0.01% hanggang sa kasalukuyan sa dulo po. So, yun po ang mga bonuses natin as a manager. So, dito, meron tayong figure ng mga bonuses po dito. So, kung meron po tayong mga participants, mag-donate po ng 2,400. So, ay ibig sabihin, meron tayong, halimbawa, meron tayong 10 na participant, mag-donate ng 2,400. Ang donation, lahat ng donation po is 24,000. So, meron tayong referral na 2,400. So, sa manager, wala po. Then, reward for per level. So, CBS, bali, mayroon po tayong 2,400 po. So, kung lahat ng mga participants po natin, magkaroon po silang ng tag 10 din sa bawat isa. So, sa pangalawa po, nagkaroon na po ng 100 participants. So, kung palagay natin donation tag 2,400, so, total donation is 240,000 na po lahat. So, wala na po tayong referral bonus. So, pero yung sa manager, meron po siyang 5% bonus. So, nagkaroon po siyang ng 12,000 bonus po. So, sa second level, so, palagay natin yung 100, nagkaroon sila ng tag 10 din, tag 10. So, umubo tayo ng 1,000 participants. So, nagbigay pa sila ng 2,400. Total donation, 2,400,000 donation po. So, sa managers, mayroon siyang 3%. So, nagkaroon siya ng 72,000 po, mga boss. So, sa pangatlo, so, naging total po, mayroon sa ika-6 na level po tayo. So, naging 10 million na po. Donation po sa 2,400. Total donation is 24 million. So, sa referral wala po na. So, sa manager, mayroon po tayong 1%. So, total rewards level po ng 6 level na po ng manager is 24 million po. So, total manager's bonus is 32,726,400 po sa lahat. So, di ba napakalaking ano po dito, rewards po as a manager. So, lahat, inibitahan ko po kayo na mag-join ng MMM. Saka, kung pwede mo manager po tayo. Kasi malaki pong ano natin dito, tulong sa ating pangangailangan po natin. So, dito po sa MMM, mayroon po tayong offline activity. So, open po tayo ng MMM office and MMM clubs in every city in the Philippines. So, para po tayong mga charity events, teach po tayong people how to use the computer, second, internet, and email, Skype, and Facebook. Third, teach po natin yung Bitcoin technologies. Yung fourth po is how to learn money in internet by MMM. Then, print information about MMM with your contacts and invite it to people everywhere. So, lahat po tayo magkaroon po nito, kinakailangan, saka dito lang yung ano ko presentation. Thank you sa lahat at saka sa MMM.